My name is Bennett Donovan. My doctorate is in medieval history with a focus on early medieval monasticism. And today I work for the world's biggest software company for nonprofits, which is Blackbaud. So after I got my doctorate, I worked in various adjunct positions overlapping all around Austin. So I was teaching American history at Austin Community College. I was teaching medieval history at UT San Antonio and intro to Western Civ at St. Edward's. So I had multiple overlapping part-time teaching jobs, I'd say. So I made the decision I wanted to stay in Austin and try to figure out how to make that work. I love the academic environment. I wanted to be at a college. I saw an advertisement at UT Austin for an information analyst, and you had to take a logic test. So I thought that maybe I could work in academic administration, be on campus, and have that life. And I took the test. I got accepted. And for 6 months, they taught me how to be a programmer, how to be a systems analyst. And that got me into technology. So after about 4 years working at UT Austin and becoming a systems analyst, I started looking at private industry, mainly because of pay. And I was able to get a job as a data integration consultant writing SQL code at a company called Convio, which was an Austin startup. And from that point on, I've been there 10 years and been acquired by Blackbaud since then. Well, it's an amazing thing because I got my job at Convio by being a programmer. And very quickly, they realized I had certain communication and coaching and teaching skills and made me the manager of the team within about a year. From there, I've managed web developers and project managers, and today I'm the practice manager over an entire portfolio of business. So I think that the teaching component, the communication component, the writing component, all contributed to them seeing me as more than just a programmer. Well, what I've found is that the higher you progress in industry, the more you need to be able to synthesize a lot of information and condense it down to the key points. VPs, CEOs, they can't read more than a paragraph at a time, to be honest. They need it boiled down with a takeaway and a to-do. And I think that's been my best advantage. I read hundreds of books to get a doctorate. I synthesized information, and to be able to take all that information, write a short, meaningful email, not everybody can do that quickly, and I think that's been a fortunate advantage that I've had. So at any given moment, I'm overseeing about 100 different software projects or engagements. So in a given day, there are a certain percentage that have a problem, have an escalation. So I'm on email, I'm talking to my team, which is all across the United States, and we're troubleshooting, we're reacting, we're teaching best practices to clients so they can make the best use of the software. And then, of course, we're always selling, too. We're always trying to look for opportunities where our software would fit a given client need. So I love who I help. Our clients are hospitals and universities. My clients include March of Dimes, the ACLU, Planned Parenthood. And at the end of the day, when I come home, I didn't help make Walmart another $1 billion, right? I'm helping causes that I believe in. So I'll never forget when Wendy Davis was doing her filibuster here at the Texas State Capitol, Planned Parenthood was getting incredible donations at that time. And we had some issues where I was on the phone with Planned Parenthood while she was filibustering and trying to help make sure the software could maintain. And it was kind of neat to feel like you were part of that in your own way.